For the grease cycle to complete successfully, the grease sensor must remain on for a specified time. Each time the sensor activates, it generates a grease pulse, monitoring the maximum time between two activations of the sensor. If these pulses remain constant long enough, the cycle is deemed successful. If no grease pulse is detected for a given time, the cycle fails and is aborted. If the process exceeds the allowed maximum time, the cycle is declared a failure. Caution: it is not recommended to modify the timer values without consulting an Azimuth certified technician first. Greasing cycle: attempts to properly lubricate the machine, indicating success or failure. Bleeding: runs the greaser continuously for 2 minutes to help troubleshoot lubrication issues. At the top of the crankshaft is a divider valve responsible for distributing grease to various parts of the press. On this valve is a sensor that activates after each component has been greased correctly. The greasing cycle monitors this sensor to assess the lubrication system's performance. If the machine is frequently powered on and off, causing excess grease accumulation due to the startup grease cycle, it's possible to bypass the automatic grease cycle during startup. Note: the press will still initiate a grease cycle according to the time between grease cycles timer setting. If you need to refill the greaser but find there's enough grease to continue production, you can bypass the alarm to avoid interruptions from grease cycle alerts.